Hi, I'm at the comfort of my own home and here I have with me Eileen from Theresa Beauty. It's been about 8 months and they've been taking such good care of my body ever since I've changed my status to a mom. Although I did a C-section, I started house call massages 1 week postpartum. My entire body swelled up so much, I was in desperate need to do anything I could to reduce the swelling. Eileen made sure to knead most parts of my body except for my tummy to avoid the wound. I'm not regretting my decision on starting my massages earlier because I saw how quickly my body shrank, especially my feet. Having to wake up for feeds in the night has contributed to my body aches and leaving me lethargic in the day. I always look forward to the weekly massages to loosen up the knots in my shoulders and relieve water retention. Self-care is so important, especially when your body is preparing for a birth of another human and during its recovery after. Now that Theresa Beauty is offering house call services, it's easier to recuperate, stay strong and healthy as we go about fulfilling the demands of motherhood.